If you don't have a dash cam, you need your belly button tickled. Nice one there. You guys don't own the road.
Whoa! 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 A good while, and then like I remember I didn't see him for a while. Oh Jesus! Accident right here. Yeah.
That snow will ruin everything. Be careful in that.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto the ramp to Anchorage.
Doing physical things. I guess I wasn't very physical as a child.
You're a cop!
That's why I do the horseback riding. And
You're a cop, you stupid asshole! What the hell are you doing?
Tell that cop to start paying attention.
What are you doing, idiot?
you have to make a
Why do you have to get over here?
You know, like you have to trust the horse has to trust you. I don't trust the horse. No, of course.
Put your lights on, dude!
Just look for it. That'll make a move, obviously. Did you see that? I kind of, but she.
Always the semis who think they always have the right of way.
An idiot.
I did. Shit. That's just the way. Bro!
What would you do if you saw some of these in person?
Opposite, so all right.
Oh shit!
We have not.
Edmonton would be
by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then. I know it might take a little longer in my location. But no.
What an idiot.
What the f are you doing? You still f***ing asshole!
Horrible drivers all over.
Oh my god!
Not being like spot on. Yeah. Spot on. Yeah, I'm saying that injuries started popping up more frequently.
Got the big money, those boys.
Are you okay?
Issued a report, really, it's 24th Drive and McDowell hit and run there, that earlier wreck.
This older lady got caught on dashcam and didn't stay in her lane.
Oh, you are not fucking. Keep in power. You don't have to do them things. You're an imposter. Bitch, I want to run spaghetti. I want shrimp pasta. I heard you in the oh my fucking. Oh, fuck no. Oh, you are not fucking.
This man isn't playing any games, dude.
Oh, you are not fucking. Oh, fuck no.
This is the average Utah driver. Running into a cop might just be a death sentence.
Only thing I fear is you breaking my heart. I knew you would sit there one from the start.
My grandma gave it to me. I'm not sure.
You know, there's probably people that actually need those handicap parking spots.
Yeah, I would agree.
That you're taking up, and that is unbelievably disrespectful.
So I guess this man had his grandma give him a handicap pass.
Have you ever been stopped for window tint before?
Nope.
17. That number has to be above 70. You can have your insurance card.
What?
You can have that back. Looks good.
Got it.
I think it's safe to say that you're not getting this handicap placard back. That's going to be mine now.
10-4.
Did you just say 10-4?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you criminal justice or something? All right, Mr. Andrews. I would just like to express again how unbelievably terrible of a person you are for using a handicap placard that doesn't belong to you and for taking a spot from someone who actually deserves it. I'm mind blown, okay? I wish that I could find a criminal charge to charge you for even possessing that, but I can't. So, if I could, I wish I could write you for something for that, but because you weren't actually using it, I can't. But I'm taking it, okay? You should feel some immense, terrible guilt about the fact that you've even used it once or twice. I don't even care how many times. The fact that you've even contemplated that, you should feel this big of a human, okay? As far as this traffic citations, I wrote you a written warning for the speed and a citation for the window tint, okay?
Comment down below what you think about this.